Hey, welcome back to YouTube channel. So today we are going to enable how to Microsoft Windows Sandbox. So this is a very important, and sometimes we are need install and configure new features like software and that thing. So for that you don't want to install your main machines. So for that you need a virtual environment and work done and then just gone. So for that Windows systems provide a very interesting features, Microsoft Windows Sandbox. So after your work done, then we'll just close and then vanish, so everything is gone. So today we are going enable how to Microsoft Windows Sandbox is enable and then ready to go use. First of all, you just go control panel, so just open that, and then you just go to program and features, just click on that, and then turn Windows features on or off, just click on that, and then find EU options, turn on Windows features on off, all options. So just go down, scroll, and then find Windows Sandbox, so just check on that and OK. After OK, just searching for requirement file, then Windows features is enabled, then Windows complete the requested changes and then just restart now. So after restart your PC, then just press a Windows button and then you find Sandbox. So Sandbox, this is a Windows Sandbox, so just select and then run as administrator. So and then allow for yes, and then see your Windows Sandbox is ready for use. So this is a final environment, and so everything is ready for use, and just create new file and create other things. So you can everything in this feature. So what do you want? So it's similar to your Windows system, so don't worry, it's just sometimes need your executions installed and new features and configuration softwares and other things. So after then you work done, then you will be just close. So when you are close, then you find Windows Sandbox is, are you sure want to the close Windows Sandbox? Once Windows Sandbox is closed, all of its control will be discarded and permanently lost. So just OK. So if you want to close, then just OK and then vanish, everything is gone. So this is a Sandbox overview. So today we are going to close on that. So this is all over things. So if you want so if you have any questions over that, so please do comment your comment section. So that's for today. Thank you.